Hey, my name is Jeremy Ervin, and I am your eighth grade social studies teacher, and I'm so excited to be working with you this year. Voy a dar esta presentación en español más tarde en este video. Entonces, um, so, a little bit about myself. I am married. Here's my beautiful wife, as you can see on the screen, and these are my two human children, and here are our two canine babies. As you can see here, love teaching. I have been teaching for 20 years, and this is my 9th year at Monroe Middle School. And as you can see, I'm also a mobile DJ, and I play all the school dances, and I also provide music for the other school activities. Eighth grade social studies is United States history, so that's what you'll be learning this year. All right, so here is my contact information. Please feel free to contact me. There you've got a cell phone number, and you also got my email address. Please don't hesitate to contact me with questions. And I look very much forward to working with you. And now I'm going to do the presentation in Spanish. Soy Jeremiah Ervin, soy su maestro de estudios sociales en el grado 8. Estudios sociales es la historia de los Estados Unidos. Me encanta enseñar. Estaba enseñando por 20 años. 8 de estos años estaba aquí en Monroe Middle School, enseñando aquí. Y es mi esposa. Tengo 2 niños humanos y tengo 2 bebés perros. Me encanta enseñar y también soy DJ y toco los bailes aquí y proveo música para otros eventos en la escuela. Y me encanta la oportunidad de trabajar con ustedes y nos vemos pronto. All right, so that's me. I'll put my contact information. Este es mi información de contactar. Este es mi número de teléfono celular y también correo electrónico. Okay? I very much look forward to working with you, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.